Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up audio without changing its pitch. So I have this audio right here. You can also record the audio by pressing this microphone button. Select the input device and press the big red button to record. You're going to then select your audio and you are going to go to the speed section. You're then going to just place it here. If you have this enabled, it will change the pitch of your voice. But if you don't, it's going to not do that, as you can see. So that's how you can speed up your audio without changing the pitch of your voice. Just simply don't enable voice tone change. This is me just testing the voice. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!